In this video, we'll explore the basic operation commands used in the nVent HOFFMAN design to manufacturing software. Holding the middle mouse button will create a box, zooming into that view when released. Holding the Control key while scrolling on the mouse will zoom in or out on the opened sheet. Left-clicking and dragging will create a box selection. Drag and drop functions work for placing symbols or components, or manipulating other objects within the project. While symbols are being dragged, they can be rotated with the R key or flipped with the X and Y keys. Right-clicking will open the context menu containing all commands that can be applied. Ctrl+C will copy a device, while Ctrl+V will paste. A pasted symbol can be rotated or flipped before being placed. Ctrl+E can be used to undo all commands performed up to the point the project was opened. The Customize tools allows for complete control on keybinds, shortcuts to commands, and more. The database windows contain easy access to components and symbols. They can be browsed through by category, or search criteria can be specified to quickly find a desired component or symbol. Many aspects of the DTM software can be customized to maximize comfort and ease of use.